Nvidia is up another 2.43% today. I ended up having one of my best months so far. I'm up $814,000 this month, having the craziest streak that I've ever had in my career. A lot of that really being helped by Nvidia. And you're going to see that every single month it's not like that. Last month ended up making $307,000. The month prior ended up losing $137,000. The month before that ended up making $400,000. But like we said, Nvidia semiconductors have really done a lot to our fund. The three things that I was very bullish for going into the fall was going to be crypto miners, and they've been doing very well for us with Bitcoin breaking out. The second thing was going to be Tesla and the We Robot event. As a long-term investor, I'm happy. Short-term, didn't pan out well. And the third was semiconductors, with Nvidia being one of the ones we're focusing on. Now, as you guys remember, we were talking about market structure for this for a very, very long time. Before the breakout, you'll notice that price was continuing to make lower highs into a fixed point and higher lows into a fixed point. This is showing that price is compressing. When price is compressing in an uptrend, it is normally going to break out once again to the upside. This is what we call a continuation pattern because it's going to continue what the trend is. Now, in our major analysis, we are expecting worst case, one more pullback down to 112 or 110, which didn't happen. And I feel that a lot of the times people believe that trading is waiting for the perfect time to enter and exit, which is the complete opposite. I have a plan, but then if things change, I will adapt with it. You're going to notice that we were expecting price to pull down to 110. Didn't occur. But on the very next candle right here, which would have been, I think it's like the first day of October. Yeah, Tuesday, October 1st. You'll see that price ends up bouncing from that level. And then the BX trender, which is one of our favorite indicators to use at the bottom of your screen, confirms its first higher high. And this is when we shift from red to green. This is showing that big money is buying into this. This is our go long signal. And what we'll look to do is hold on until price or the BX trender starts to make a lower high, which has not occurred yet. So this breakout, even though we wanted the pullback, we abandoned the plan and now we switch to being bullish as long as we continue to get this buying pressure. You'll see the last time this occurred was back here when the BX trender flipped from bearish to bullish. And at that point, after confirmation, price rallied nearly 23% within 14 days. Right now, we're looking at about 13% within 8 days. So I believe that at this point, that Nvidia still has some room to run. Now, will it pull back short term? Most likely. The way that I've been trading this is that I use my trading bot that's going off of the 15-minute to send me entry and exit signals within my Discord community. Now, if you're somebody who wants access to these and to trade with me every day, the link to our Discord community and our private academy will be in the description. But all this is focusing on is making sure that price is trading over the 11 SMA, which you can see is this blue line, and over the 50 SMA. As long as we're trending up, the trading bot will alert me so that I don't have to sit here in front of the charts all day. What I'm going to look for is price to continue to make higher highs on the BX trender. And once it flips from bright green down to dark green, that's when I'm going to stop being bullish and wait for a pullback. Now, if you want to get access to this indicator and all the indicators you see here, you can go and take our courses. They're completely for free. The BX Trender will be a part of our Elite Traders Playbook, and that course will give you a step-by-step checklist of everything that you need to look for before you enter a position based off of my strategy and my indicators. Thank you guys for all the support. The link to all of that will be in the description.